Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus with the S Appearance Group. Stock number E2337A. Only 4,000 miles on this Pacifica. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van, seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, stow-and-go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, rear parking sensors, along with blind spot monitoring. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo, or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. Can of course fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. This S package has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 4,000 miles. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things used most often. Lots of storage in the center console. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, sliding door and liftgate control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway, and only 4,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.